The International Conference on Smart Education and Digital Literacy 2025 held from May 6th to 9th with the theme Empowering African Smart Education Through Smart Technologies. The conference, which was co hosted by the Universal Basic Education Commission (UBEC) and Korean International Cooperation Agency (KOICA, brought together educators, policymakers, researchers, technology leaders, EdTech companies from 30 African countries.
The theme, repositioning basic education for resilience, innovation, and inclusion, is not an aspiration, it is a reality.
We're talking more about infusing artificial intelligence in our educational system.
Being digitally literate is not about the certification, it's more about the application.
Let us envision an Africa where every child, regardless of background or location, has access to world-class digital education.
This conference offers a timely platform for stakeholders to exchange ideas, showcase innovation, and foster solutions that can propel education into the digital age.
The conference features a range of engaging activities, including panel discussion, symposium on smart education and digital literacy, teacher-focused interactions, workshops, masterclasses on leveraging technology in education, and exhibitions by EdTech companies on various smart education technologies to improve learning outcomes.
And the wind of wishes brought her dream to pass.
The participants also got the opportunity to visit a UBE Smart School to experience live demonstration of smart education technologies and pedagogy. Participants and sponsors also received certificates. The ICSE 2025 marked a significant step towards revolutionizing education in Africa through technology by bringing together stakeholders from across the continent to foster collaborations, innovations, and knowledge sharing, paving the way for a brighter future in African education.
If you speak to Nigeria, you have spoken to the whole Africa.